Here I got HTC Desire 19 Plus, and let me show you how to activate and use developer options on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select System. Here you will notice About Phone, and now you have to click on Software Information. Go to More, where are Advanced Options, and once you see build number, just tap on it 7 times. And as you can see, now we are a developer, so let me go back, and on the previous window, right here, developer options appeared. Smoothly click on it to activate them, and now you can come along with all those very useful and advanced features. Just come along with all the options, and now you can use them. So for example, if you'd like to show notification channel warnings, just tap on the switchers, and now it will be on your display. Obviously you can turn it off the same way. Then if you'd like to switch off activities, click here and then turn it off the same way. You can also force 4x, vision, debug GPU overdraw. You can activate animation or deactivate them, it's up to you. Then you can also force RTL layout direction, so it's perfect for the left-handed people. This is it. And then, for example, you can show layer bounds. So just pick those options that you would like to apply and smoothly use it. And then if you would like to turn developer options off, just tap on this switcher. And as you can see, if you'll go back to the previous window, they disappeared. So whenever you want to activate them again, you will have to perform the same trick one more time. And this is it, that would be all, so you can activate and use developer options in your device, in your Desire 19 Plus. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.